Hi, everybody. Welcome to English Lessons. In today's class, we're going to be looking at common English phrases. And these are phrases that you use in everyday life. So let me share my screen with you. Now, normally, when you learn English, you tend to learn the formal way of saying things. But in today's lesson, we're going to be learning about informal ways to say different phrases or greetings, as well as some English slang so that you can sound like a local when you speak the language. Okay, let's read together. Ways to say I don't know. I have no idea. I have no clue. I can't help you there. Beats me. I'm not really sure. I've been wondering that too. Dunno. I haven't the faintest idea. Very good. Let's read it again. Ways to say I don't know. I have no idea. I have no clue. I can't help you there. Beats me. I'm not really sure. I've been wondering that too. Dunno. I haven't the faintest idea. Great job, everybody. Let's go to the next one. Read with me. Ways to say goodbye. Have a good day. Have a nice day. Take care. Farewell. Bye. Bye-bye. Later. See you later. Very good, everybody. Let's read it one more time. Ways to say goodbye. Have a good day. Have a nice day. Take care. Farewell. Bye. Bye-bye. Later. See you later. Very good. Good job. Let's go on to the next one. Other ways to say I don't know. I have no idea. I don't have a clue. I'm unsure. Search me. Beats me. I can't remember off the top of my head. I don't have any information about that. That's exactly what I'm seeking to answer. Who knows? Let me check on that. I'm not 100% sure on that. I'll double check and let you know. It's beyond me. It's a mystery to me. That's a good question, but I don't know. I'm not the best person to answer that. That's a good question. I'll check this. I'm afraid I have no idea. I don't know anything about. I'm going to investigate that further. That requires a bit more research first. Very good, everybody. Great job. Let's move on. 20 ways to say hello in English. Formal. Hello. Hello. How are you? How are you doing? Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. Nice to meet you. Greeting an old friend. These greetings are more informal or slang. Long time no see. How have you been? Nice to see you again. What have you been up to? What's new? Very good. Informal. Hey, what's up? What's new? What's going on? Hi, Jack. How are you? Howdy. Great job. And let's go into the last one. Ways to say, how are you? How have you been? How's it going? What's up? What's new? How's everything? What are you up to? How are you doing? How are you holding up? What's up? How are things going? How are you? How's life? What's going on? What's happening? How do you do? All right. Great job, everybody. Very good reading. I hope that you all enjoyed today's lesson. If so, please remember to hit that like and subscribe button below. Thank you so much, everybody, for joining me today. I hope to see you all next time. Bye, guys.